Is it love or lust? Is it love or lust? I'll have you addicted, wishing that you never did me wrong. Yeah, that's lust, can't love a boy that got a girl at home. Is it love or lust? Is it love or lust? If you got a girl at home, then boy, leave me alone. Yeah, you got a girl at home, but you won't leave me alone. Don't wanna ever have to question if you're down for me, but when I wanted you, you didn't really want me. Now the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, you let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life. If you're inconsistent, I'ma find someone who isn't. He gon' give me what you're missing, yeah. Boy, get off my line, you're wasting my time, I don't need you. I can call up them guys that's on standby to tell you the truth. Cause the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Ain't mutual, yeah.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tyra D. Welcome back to my channel. We finna be reporting live from Wally World. I don't know why people call it that. I don't know why. But we're going to Walmart. It's a lot of things we need to do to get ourselves together for this new year. I mean, the year started, but like, I still ain't. Just listen, okay? We need to get some household stuff from Walmart. And child, I hope nothing be popping up at this Walmart. Because this Walmart, it's a Walmart, okay? That's all I'm saying. We need to get household stuff. Like, I need cleaning supplies because I need to clean up my house. But we need some more cleaning supplies for that. What else? Baby, I need to go grocery shopping so bad. Like, there's a couple things in that fridge, but not enough. It's not enough. We need to go grocery shopping. Grocery shopping. I need to go to Sam's Club at some point. That's not gonna be today. Not gonna be. You're gonna see it eventually, but not today. Because I like to get my stuff from there, like the toilet paper. What is it? Toilet paper, paper towels, stuff like that. Because when you get it in bulk, it's better. You spend a little more, but not really. You end up spending less. Because if I had a thing of paper towels from Wally World, they're gonna be gone fast. These paper towels, toilet paper and stuff, I got this stuff in October. It's January and they're not even gone yet. They're almost gone. But ooh, is this where I turn? Yeah, I'm actually also starving right now. So I'm hoping that I can find some food. Oh, wait up. Hold on, baby. It is bright up. How do I turn it here? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the store. Oh my god, I hate coming to Walmart. I ain't even gonna lie. I'd rather go to Target, but this stuff is cheaper here, and I got a gift card, so we're gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna stay on track because I put everything in my Walmart app, like in the little shopping cart, so I know exactly what I need because I know I like to get distracted. None of that. We ain't having it. Not today, baby. I'm gonna be in and out. We're gonna see. Hope I'm gonna be in and out. Okay, I don't know. Oh boy. Oh Lord, there's a lot of people in here already. Alright. First things first. We need some cleaning supplies. Well, that's really all we came here for. So, y'all see me? This kitchen spray, we need this, but we need, what else? See this? I literally, y'all can't even see it, but it's a list on Walmart. So we need this, we need Lysol wipes. Okay, y'all, so we need Lysol wipes. They got some here. Gonna grab these. Oh, them heavy. Hold on. Oh. Y'all, not as empty up in here. Not as empty. But I found some stuff. I need this, the scrub mommy. sure about that. And then some dishwashing liquid because we needed that bad. And I found some Lysol wipes and stuff. But y'all, the rest of this, look at this. This is wild. This is wild. Alright, y'all. So, I found a couple things that are food. I normally don't get these, but you know, sometimes in the morning you might be rushing. And look what I found. These toasted, oh, I can't even see his background. Frosted cinnamon, basically cinnamon rolls. And then I found these muffins, some coffee, and I want to try this new creamer. But not too much. I gotta get toothpaste and that's it.
Your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
One thing Audie gonna have is some really good bagels. I eat these literally all the time. You definitely gotta get these. They got hot dog buns, but I want some of these for my pulled pork sandwiches. Yeah. Okay, so for bread, I love honey wheat. So we're gonna grab some honey wheat bread. And also want, Audie has some really good fruit. Look at this. Dragon Paradise dragon fruit. I never had dragon fruit, so I ain't getting that. But they do have this strawberry kiwi mango, which is pretty good. Yeah, y'all, literally whenever you're in Georgia, if you see a home run in pizza, if y'all don't know, this from Chicago, this is the only place that you can really find it here and like one other store. I think they only have cheese. Dang. Yeah, but the cheese is still good, so we're gonna get one of these. Okay, y'all, so I have some Starbucks vanilla latte, some regular milk and almond milk, and these eggs, which are $5, which is crazy. And I like to eat two eggs a day, which I'm gonna have to stop because who's paying $5 for that? Okay, y'all, so I got some stuff from Aldi. Let me just kind of show y'all what I got. Yeah, because okay, y'all, so quickly I just got some spinach, these are buns, so that I can make a quick dinner. Where is it at? I'm gonna try this. I don't know how good this is gonna be, but we're gonna try it on the bun. I got some fruit for smoothies, eggs, and water's like $5 now. Some more coffee stuff, some milk, cheese, bagels, garlic nuts, avocado. What is that? A mango? Some spray, some bread, and avocados, bananas. So a little bit, but not like too crazy. All right, y'all, I'm home. I have my groceries and my bags and everything from Walmart and Aldi. I'm about to hurry up and put this stuff together. Not together, put it away. I'm not gonna organize it just right now because I have to hurry up because I need to cook some dinner because I have class in like 40 minutes, acting class. So we about to put this stuff away quickly and then cook dinner. Do I have time for this? Yeah, I got like 40 minutes. So we about to do this very quickly. All right, y'all, I got some of these frappuccinos because I don't drink coffee that much, but I am about to have to start being up super early for work. So I had to get some coffee. And I'm not a coffee type of girl, but when I do. And I'm about to try this one. And we about to just put the rest of the stuff up here. Oh, well, what I'm most excited about, and I don't know if I just got these at the store because I was hungry, probably, but look at these freaking cinnamon rolls. I'm really excited for those. I need to hurry up though. Yeah. All right. Aldi has such good fruit. All right. Okay. For real.
To question if you're down for me, but when I wanted you, you didn't really want me. Now the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, you let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life. If you're inconsistent, I'ma find someone who isn't. You gon' give me what you're missing, yeah. Boy, get off my line, you're wasting my time. I don't need you. I can call up them guys that's on standby to tell you the truth. Cause the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Ain't mutual, yeah. Don't hit my line begging me to listen. Nothing you say will make a difference. You should've been 100 from the jump. Just be upfront, cause that's all that I want. Now that I cut you off, you wanna double text. But the old you would've left me on red. It's too late to fix all the damage you did. Now the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, you let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life. If you're inconsistent, I'ma find someone who isn't. You gon' give me what you're missing, yeah. Boy, get off my line, you're wasting my time. I don't need you. I can call up them guys that's on standby to tell you the truth. Cause the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Ain't mutual, yeah. I wasted way too much time. You out here living double lives, but she can have you. Tell your baby mama you ain't mine. Now the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, you let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life. If you're inconsistent, I'ma find someone who isn't. You gon' give me what you're missing, yeah. Boy, get off my line, you're wasting my time. I don't need you. I can call up them guys that's on standby to tell you the truth. Cause the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Ain't mutual, yeah. You never knew how I really felt about you. I had no clue that you were texting other girls, making love to your girlfriend. Is it love or lust? Is it love or lust? I'll have you addicted, wishing that you never did me wrong. Yeah, that's lust, can't love a boy that got a girl at home. Is it love or lust? Is it love or lust? If you got a girl at home, then boy leave me alone. Yeah, you got a girl at home, but you won't leave me alone. All those nights I laid up by your side. Damn, I wish I saw the signs. You didn't even think twice. I guess I wasn't good enough to be the only girl in your life. Is it love or lust? Is it love or lust? I'll have you addicted, wishing that you never did me wrong. Yeah, that's lust.
Alright, y'all, so I'm in Sam's. And I'm about to get some stuff to restock. Thinking I'm gonna get these Gain Tide Pods. They have these, they have those. I like to get them in bulk because then you ain't gotta worry about it. But those look like those was on sale. So let's go back up here. Let's grab these. It says Ultra Oxy. Oh wait, maybe these are 29. I don't know. But I like the scent.
And I was like, huh?
Only other things we need is toilet paper and paper towels. Alright y'all, this is the toilet paper right here from Sam's Club. This is such a good deal. You get all of this for $22. So we gotta get that. Okay. And now we need some paper towels. Where's the paper towels at? I don't know. All this is toilet paper.
Just for this?
Yeah.
This right here is $18?
Yeah. Alright y'all, so we got paper towels, toilet paper, and we got the Tide Pods. What do you want? What about? What?
I'm cool, man.
Y'all, somebody said, hey bro, are y'all filming for YouTube? And this, what did you say?
Nah, we good,
bro.
I thought he said, hey.
Oh, do you need a Q-tip?
Yeah, because you know how
why would he be asking you that?
They be walking around trying to beat him up. I ain't even go curse on your YouTube.
Why would somebody say, do you want a Q-tip?
Have a good night.
You too. I can't. Not the police.
Now the feelings ain't mutual.